Okay, even Surya have done this one. Any idea, guys, about the frame? From where I can get that one? It's Nagar Citrus. See, Nagar Taza Tindi. No idea. Guys, reply something. Iframe tag, yes. It's iframe tag, but I want to bring this location, particular location. Here it is Jayanagar 40 block. Now I want something, some different location. Yeah, it's simple. See, just search maps, Google Maps, and select any area. I will select this Madiwala Lake. Here, you need to click here, share. Okay, select any location, then click on share. Here, abandoned a map. See, here you can see the time frame. Copy this, and here I will put it in a separate div tag. This is what I will use. Okay, see, what we are doing is we are creating this one, this contact form. Okay, for creating this one, what we have done is created a div tag, one more div tag to store iframe and a form. See this file. See, I got that map. Madiwala Lake Park. Just you need to search any location here. Search the location, click on share option, go to embedded a map, and it. Any doubts? Okay, you can select any location from here. You can go to this one also. Sudan, same thing. Share, copy. And I got a Sudan map. And now we have to design like this using CSS. Now let's do it using Bootstrap. Contact us like this. Okay, now tell me what I can do. What is the first step for using Bootstrap? Guys, what was the first step? Guys, want to use Bootstrap. Everyone are then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Yes, tell me guys fast. First, what I need to do? I want to use Bootstrap classes. Guys, are you there? Hello, hello. Guys, fast tell me. What is the first step? Bootstrap link. Yes. I want a Bootstrap link. Okay. We are going there. I already have one here. Same thing. Copy. Paste. Okay. The Bootstrap is linked. Now, what's next? I need to bring them both like this, side by side. It's horizontal now. Nav tag. No, we are creating this form. No nav tag. I want this two should be in a side by side way, horizontal way. No, it's in vertical. I want like this. Map form. Contact should be on top here. I think I didn't add it, I guess. Okay. Here we'll add H1 contact us. Yes. Now tell me what should I do? I want this side by side. Map form. These both are in single tag, div tag. Yes, tell me. Any idea? I've already created that one, that contact, I guess, no? This one. Same class I need to use there also. Bharat. Okay, everyone have done this one. Yes, tell me. LI tag. Oh, LI is list item. I want to display this both side by side, horizontal way. It now it's vertical. See, iframe. This is form tag. Any idea? Same thing, same class. think so. H2 and why H2? This is H1 tag. Okay, this one you are telling. Okay, H2 tag. Okay, now I want this both side by side. Even your assignment also have done. See, it's in side by side here. Same thing here also. Same class we have to use. What you have used? Text center. No, text center means only this will come in center. This everything. See, I will show you. In div tag class text center. Okay, now it is in center. I want side by side. It's in vertical way. See, form tag, one map tag. I want like this, side by side. H2 class text center NV4. We'll do it only for this one. Okay, this is in center now. I want this whole form side by side here. This is one div tag, one form tag. See, in main div tag there are two tags. One is div tag, one is form tag. This part I need in horizontal way. I want to display it side by side. Flex, yes. Flex. Where I have to add that form tag, div tag, or this main div tag. Div. Yes. Okay. Class deflex. See, now I got that one. Contact as both are there. Yeah. Okay. Now I want this to be vertical. See, like this. And here there is a twist here. Four are vertical. This one is outside. What I can do now? Okay. Before that, what I have to do? I want to bring it in a vertical way. For horizontal, it is deflex. For vertical, grid. Yes. Form tag class d hyphen grid. Yeah. Now what's next? I want to bring this four side by side like this. Only this four. What I can do? I want these four tags horizontal. Any idea? Grid template column. How? Which class is that? Grid template column. Here I need to add the grid template. Correct? Nah. Display grid will apply to all the items, all these tags. Any idea? Grid template column repeat. Okay, this is for CSS. I'm using Bootstrap. How to do it in Bootstrap? Others, everyone have to try that one. Only Bharat and Harsha is replying. Bhavya. Any idea? I want like this. No idea. Guys, first I need to separate this one. To separate it from this form tag. Okay, here I will give div tag. In div, I will put these two, and you will create one more div for other two. Simple. See, I got like this. Like this, you can see inside form tag, two different div tags. One is containing two tags, another one and the other two Sorry, text area is outside button. Now I need to remove these spaces. See, there is lot of space here. How to remove that one? Is it margin or padding? Any idea, guys? How to know whether it is padding or margin? So here you can see two different colors here. I place it here. See, padding. Yes. I need to reduce the padding. First, I will add some padding here. P3, some gaps here. Let me give 5. P5. Okay. Then for H2, okay, I need to do it for H2 div, second div. I need to do it in three places here. Now what I will do, I will use some shortcuts. Shortcut is like this. I will create one style tag. I will call all three. Form space H2 space from form H2. Then one more form div. Okay, I'm directly calling the tag names. Here padding 0. It's not gone. Actually with RG. No. H2 comma div percent px. No. It's neither padding. Wait, maybe it's gap. Display greater gap 0. No. Any idea, guys? What is it? It's neither padding nor margin also. Where I'm getting this space? Any idea? Any idea, guys? Hello. Any idea, Bharat, Harsha? How to remove this space? Any idea, guys? Come on, you have to help me. Any idea, guys? No idea. Okay, let's try with input tags. Adding 0 pixel. Let me try directly here only. Plus P0. No. About margin? And this is no. It's padding itself now. Div tag. Yeah. It's not working. Mm, okay, let's ignore that one. Then this one message, I need to do this much. See, its width is 100% now. I want it some 25%. How to reduce that one? I need to give this color. How to make this button small? And there is a border also here. Form tag. Yes, tell me. First, I need to reduce this size. Then I want to add a border here for form tag. Any idea? How to reduce the size? Come on, guys. Harsha, Bharat, Bhavya, Surya. How to reduce the size? Guys, are you there? By adjusting button height and width. Now there is one more shortcut. Height and width also we can do. Height I will give 3, width 3. No, it's not working. Any other idea? Okay, height and width which we have to give 25, 50, 75 like that. Multiple of 25. Only till 100 we can give. I will give 25. I forgot that number. 25, 25. It's too small. How to fix this one now? It's too small. I just need to give width. No height. Height, height is same. No? Width is 25. When this is too small, I will give 50. And this one is fine. Okay, now I need to give border. Border for this form. What is the class name? To add border. Class name to border. Bootstrap class. Just tell me, Harsha, Bharat, border. Okay, it's very thin. I need to give some dense there. See, it's a thin layer. I want it in bolder. Legend. What legend? I need to give size. Border. Any idea? Simple. Just give one more border, two or three border. See, we give five only. So you want to give space here in between these both. What to do for that? You need to add gap between map and this one, this form. How to bring that gap? Just tell me first. And this boat should come in center. See, it's on left side. I want this both in center, and I need to add gap here. Yes, quick guys. Surya, Harsha, Bharat. How to add gap? It's simple. Just tell me guys. No idea. It's very simple. Centered blocked alignment. Hmm. What is that? Center blocked alignment. One bootstrap class. See here. First we gave deflex here. It came like this in horizontal way. Now I need to add gap here, and I want to bring both in middle, in center. Here I need to add some classes. Classes. What are they? After deflex, in question itself there is answer. I need to add gap and bring in center. What are those two classes? Line center. No, no. Justify content. Then this would work, I guess. Justify content where between. Wow, there's too much gap. No, this one is not working. Try other. Try using different classes. Justify content between. It's pushing like this. Yeah. There's too much gap. Yes, Bharat, Harsha, Harahari, Bhavya, evenly. Cap. Yes, cap. What is evenly? Justify content evenly. Yeah, it's working. But still, and it's a small gap here. See, it's too small. Evenly means it will add same. See, same space here, here, here. It has been divided. You want a small gap and big gaps there. See, Harsha had given the answer. Gap. Gap of 3. Let's give 4. Yeah, this one is 5. Now I need to bring in center. How to bring in center? How to bring in center? And I need to change the color, this border color. It's too light. I need dark color. Dark or black. Please tell me how to bring in center. Simple. Border dark, yes. Border dark. What about this one? I need to bring in center. Any idea? Justify content center. That one we tried now. Let me justify. Yes. Okay. And simply you can give text center also. Even that will work. Text center. Okay, it will not work. Okay, it will apply to only for text, I guess. Text align center. Justify content center is fine. Okay, now what is remaining? We need to keep colors. See, blue color. You need to change that button color. How to change that button color? BTN. Yes, BTN is a class. BTN. Now I need to change that color. If I give BTN for this one also, it will turn into button. Wait, I will give it to input tag. See, class BTN. It has been changed to BTN. It has given BTN design like that. Okay, now I need to change that color, button color. BTN primary, yes. It's too big. How to reduce the size of button? There is a class for doing that also. Reducing the button size. So you go to Bootstrap, search for button. See, these are the buttons. See, primary background also it is in blue color. Primary, secondary is this one. Success is this one. Danger. Different color buttons. Yeah, now I need to reduce the size. For that one, we can give BTN SM small. And even for this one also there is a class for input tags. Form input something was there. Let me search form. See this one. Form control. It will add some design to this input tags also. So you can select these multiple lines. You know the shortcut. First click here. Press and hold the Alt key in your keyboard. Alt key, press, hold, then click anywhere you want. Multiple this one, multiple cursors. Then you will give Control V like this. See now it's not looking good. How to fix this one? First let me give some width. W I will give 50. Then let me give for iframe also class width 50. It's too big now. Okay, now how to bring here? See, again it went to this one vertical way. I will need it in horizontal way like this. How to fix this one? And for text area also I will give form control. Now it's looking good. We can accept yes. Yes, now tell me this one. How to fix this? Any idea? Same class we have to use. See, here we used which class we use here? Bring side by side. Same thing we have to use here also for these two divs. What was the class? Anyone? Yes, Bharat, Bhavya, Harsha. Tell me. This is the last one. Gap. No. If I give gap, it will get gap here in between these two. And to bring this name and phone number side by side. Before that, there is one more class. I need to bring this both side by side. Which class I need to use here and here? Same. No idea. They want like this, side by side. Hmm. Bharat, Harsha, where are you? Flex, yes. Display flex, deflex. See, deflex. Now I need to add gap. Gap of 3. Hmm. See, these are too big here. How to fix this one? Deflex, yes. I need to reduce the size. See, it's too big. Is it padding on margin? Hmm. What I need to reduce? Should I reduce margin or padding for this 4 input tags? Yes, tell me first. We'll use this one now. Input. What I need to reduce? Padding or margin? Guys, padding. Yes. Why padding? It's not working. Why? It is also too big. It's reducing only this one. Left and right side, not top and bottom. like this we can give important this one mark. Okay, we are using bootstrap classes now. There are some predefined classes here already using in form control. If you want to change, we have to give this mark, important mark. And see, there is some shadow here. How to bring that one? Any idea? It will reduce inside. Yes, correct. Any idea about this one? The shadow? Bharat, Harsha, any idea how to bring that shadow? See this one. Any idea, guys? Simple. It's same as adding border. Shadow LG. Yes. What is LG? Large shadow. Yes. Shadow LG. Mhm. It's not working. It's not working. What to do? Let me try removing this border. See, it was not visible in border, but it is too light. In LG also it's too light. In other class, LG is larger. How to do it in CSS? How to do it in CSS? What is that property name? shadow, box shadow. Yes, move this one. Box shadow. Then I need to give 0 9 px 10 px 15 px. Then I need to give color black. See, and tell me why I have given like this 0 9 px 15 px different different. What is 0 9 px 15 px? We have given like this in 3. See, if I give only one, it will do nothing. Any idea? If I give 2, in bottom it is adding. Then I have given 4. Any idea about this one? This numbering? For horizontal and vertical, yes. Only 3. This one is fine. What was the trigger? forgot the teaser name. Let me do this one. Okay, your next assignment is this one. You need to create a review form. Add some reviews. It will it goes on like this. You need to create a slider like this. This is your assignment. Next assignment. Control the positions. Yes. Okay, see, this is your next assignment. Okay, one image, name, then message. This is one form. Okay, here you need to display the messages. One form, then messages. Okay, you can use both CSS and Bootstrap. Anything you can use. You take this video. I have shared this video. Any doubts you can ask me. In Bootstrap also will get that slider, I guess. It is like this. It's not in Bootstrap. You can search on Google. Okay, I want like this. Slider. Okay, first one is form bar. Yeah, then this is normal div tag. One information. Will you do it? Is it easy or difficult? Yes, you will try. Yeah, everyone has to try that one. Yeah, online also will get some models like this. You can search there. The design is very easy. Just image H3 or H4 tag and paragraph tag. Yeah, try using this slider. Yes. Any dots here in this one? In contact form. Tomorrow we'll start with Django. Yes, Yogesh. Yes, nice. HTML, CSS. Oh. Any doubts in today's class? Or can you show the today's code? Any doubts, guys? In today's code? You know how to bring this iframe? Okay. Do you have any idea about Django? Django framework? Why it is used? Why Django is used? Django framework. There are many other frameworks. Django, then what is there? Fast API. Any idea why Django is used? Any idea, guys? What is Django? No, about that, sir. For building web applications, yes. It is used to build web applications. Okay, which type of applications? Static or dynamic? Yesterday we discussed what is static, what is dynamic. Django is used for static or dynamic. Remember what is static, what is dynamic? Difference between them. Yogesh, Bharat, Bhavya, Harsha. Combination of both. Uh, how is that? For static, we can just use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, Django is used to create this one dynamic web pages. Django to database. It is a dynamic website. See Django. I will show you the workflow of the Django. How it is used. What? Oh, where is that? See here, this one. See, this is the workflow of Django. In Django, you will get to see these files: urls.py, views.py, models.py, HTML files. You know about to request and response. What is HTTP request? HTTP response? Any idea about that? Request and response. What is request? What is response? Any idea? HTTP request. Guys, Bhavya, Yogesh, Harsha. Any idea about HTTP request? Request the message sent by client to server. Yes. Response. Communication between server and the client. Yes. Correct. Okay, now whatever I search here. See, now I will search my name. Now I'm sending a request. Okay, now if I give this request, now server is responding me. This is the response. This everything is coming from the backend database. Where this information is getting from database. This is response. Okay, this was my request, my name. The same thing here. What Django will do when we send request. Okay, that request will go through these things. Okay, first it will go to urls.py, then views.py, and from views it will take the data and template. Yeah, URLs is nothing but like this. This URLs, whatever we search, there will be a URL for that one stored in this urls.py file. And views.py, there will be some functions. That function will retrieve the data from models and templates. Okay, in models, what it will have? See, read and write data here. Okay, all data is stored here in models.py. It is a database tables. Okay, and these templates are nothing but HTML files. Okay, first it will go to urls.py. From there, it will go to views. From views, it will take the data and a template and send it as a response. Okay, now what is data and what is template? Difference. See, if I search for a name, now here I have data and a design also. See, there's a design. Brave is here, the search button, these animations, this everything is design. And here this one is data. This name, this text is data. It is coming from database. Okay, this everything is a template, HTML file. Inside HTML file, there is a data which is coming from database. Understood? Huh? Data is coming from models.py. Template, we can take anything from here. HTML templates. We combine this both data and template, and it will send it as response. HTTP response. This is the workflow. In URLs, there will be some URLs. If I search Hamid, there is a predefined URL there stored in this urls.py. Then if we call that one, it will go to views. It will take some function. That function will return template and database. Data from the database. This is the normal workflow. Basic workflow of Django. Any doubts in this? Once we start with the practical thing, you will get to understand. You get a clear picture. urls.py, views.py. These are the files, Python files. Any doubts, guys? In this one, this workflow. No doubts, sir. You understood? Models.py, views.py, URLs. No doubts, sir. Hello, hello. Guys, are you there? No. You understood this workflow? Request, response. This is important. You need to understand this one. Others, Harsha, Bharat, Harahari. Tomorrow I will ask you these questions. What is models.py, views.py? Everyone have to answer. Okay. And don't forget your assignment. This is your assignment. Okay. Okay, then let's stop this class today. It's 2:30. Okay, bye guys.